What's going on out there? I hope you are having a wonderful night. At least it's night where I am. But tonight we are actually going to be implementing some combat animations. And hopefully we can get through that pretty quickly. Maybe we can tackle some other things I've been really wanting to get to. So we're just going to dive right in, sit back, relax, and let's get to it. You know, one thing you shouldn't do before we start. One thing I should have done before we started is check to see if this actually worked, because I've been doing some work offline and I'm not sure this is about to start. So let's see if our game actually will actually run. It may take a minute. Let's jam out while we waiting. Okay, so we got operation. Okay, and right now we have no combat moves because they're purposely broken because we need to implement the new ones. So what we're going to do is, the thing we're actually doing is we're actually going to I removed the test animations I made a long time ago. I made those on stream and everything. And we're going to replace them with the animations from my animator. So we'll actually get real combat animations actually implemented. So, and this should be fairly simple. This should be fairly simple. I say that, and it's usually not. And we spend all night working on something that we didn't mean to work on. Right. Oh, it's down here. And what I'm about to show you was pretty much just a stopgap anyway. Yeah, this where we were actually putting this to key presses. We're gonna completely undo this when we get to the client, which should be soon. The client will allow an actual player to control the game. Because while in between streams, and this is the reason I didn't stream late last week, was because I was essentially implementing some of the things that we did in the previous stream. I moved those settings over to the server, and it took me a second to kind of get that right. Oh, what am I doing here? I need to go to the animator, and I need to go ahead and change some names of some animations. So we know this one works, but we can take this out. We can actually make it the actual name it's supposed to be. These like 5s and 6 something were just for me to track against the database, making sure the actual information was coming down properly. And we can test this first. If that's working, then everything we've done so far is ready to, essentially we're ready to implement the actual animations. Oh, I have not actually set that. No, I will. Okay, okay. We have to actually go in the code and actually set that button to actually work with that. Perfect. All right. Don't even need to mess with the camera this time. Okay, they didn't do anything. Let's try it again. Okay, so what happened there? Saved it. What are we doing wrong here? Let's get the list of animations. All right, so gotta take away the screen for just a second. Sorry, I had myself on mute. Forgot. Um, let's see here. Set take away the screen for a second to just set some things up. Now we are trying to figure out what is going on with our key press and our animation. And my camera decided not to adjust itself properly. All right. The animation list is empty? All right, let's restart from the beginning. Sorry, a little cough there. All right. Wow. Continue. Okay. Why are they still named the old names? Thought I fixed that. So they'll never match. So they'll never get in there. Okay, well, easy problem to solve for tonight. We can just actually set them back to their old names. Just use the old names. My instinct is to undo. I just need to set it. All right, let's see if that works. The problem is though, if it's got the old values in there, what if it's got the old time settings as well? If it does, we may need to do something more drastic. Let me check one thing here before we do this. Yeah, and the settings. Okay, wait, something's not right here.
Sarah was never an agreeable girl. Her tongue tells tales of rebellion, but she was so fast and quick with her bow. No one quite knew where she came from.
Let me change this back and let me actually go check something when we actually load the animations.
But she knew the ways of nobler men, and she knew how to enrage them. She would always like
Oh, did I turn off the debug?
change the past when you could own this day. Today she will find
Yeah, I didn't put it in.
she's a rogue and a thief, and she'll tempt
Took my
she would always like to say, why change the past when you
breakpoint out of there.
Today she will fight to keep her way. A rogue and a thief, and she'll tempt your fate. Sarah was never quite the wealthiest girl. Some say she lives in a tavern, but she was so sharp and quick with a bow. Arrows strike like a dragon. Sarah was never quite the gentlest girl. Her eyes were sharp like a razor, but she knew the ways of commoner men.
Who knew changing names or animations would actually cause a problem?
She would always like to say,
It would be such a big deal.
past when you can own this day. Today she will fight to keep her way. She's a rogue and a thief, and she'll tempt your fate. She would always like to say, why change the past when you can own this day? Today she will fight to keep her way. She's a rogue and a thief, and she'll tempt your fate.
Come on, get to it already. Okay, so it is saying 3. Where is that coming from? It's coming from here. because it's coming off this. But the animator, because it's set here. Okay, that's the problem. It should get to this guy though. Unless it's looking at this name instead. Maybe it's an override where this name overrides. I should have kept looking to see if it ever actually found this. Well, let's just make this easy on ourselves. Okay, so it's in there now. And that probably happened while we weren't looking. So let's take that breakpoint out. I can't get out of there. It's got a bug right now. If I try to go backwards, it breaks the movement. See, like things like that, where I try to be too complicated with the movement. How did I? Oh, I must have had on mute when I coughed. Oh, okay. But yeah, what you're seeing is a lot of the issues with the movement. Sitting here, I sat here and explained all this on mute. But the movement issues you're seeing right now are just test setup stuff. Like, I'd rather not fix that now. I'd rather fix that when we get into the clients. We start building the client. And that was good. No, the animation played perfectly. It shouldn't. It should not do another animation. It should not do another reaction hit off of just the collider hitting them. So that's one thing we need to fix. But probably won't fix that right now. Maybe we'll push that to the end if we get everything set up properly. All right, so let's go ahead and start getting these animations implemented. All right. So I'm thinking everything should be set up on the animation settings, the animation data that I've already brought down from the database should be set up perfectly from what it looks like. Because I spent time on that last week or off stream essentially. I don't think I ever had crushing ram up there. Oh yeah, I did. There it is. All right, keep it moving here. Yeah. A heart stopper. Taste of blood. And you gotta just imagine, I've made or wrote up all this stuff in documents, like in my game design doc, probably a good year ago or more probably, and now I'm actually seeing it like implemented. I mean, you're just seeing me like put names up here, but this is kind of an event for me. I'm actually seeing the fruition of my that's the right word, fruition of my work. Like months and months of planning. the plant. Some undaunted fury. And the wrecker. Or just wrecker. We can get rid of those. That. All right. Doesn't feel like that's everything, though. I mean, I don't know. It's like we're missing some things. I gotta go check out stream. Maybe I wonder if I've got the right file in there. But neither here or there for right now. Let's see. Actually, let's go look at the list. I wonder if I'm just at the point now where I'm just feeling like everything's so, I don't know, like everything's so buttoned up that I'm missing something. I can't help but feel it though. I am missing. Okay, yeah. So I'm not using the file with everything in it, which is fine for right now. We don't need to do every single one tonight. But as long as these work, we should be good. So just implement them anytime. So let's take out a wall first. Oops. Forgot to change animation names in the code. Wait, that shouldn't matter because this is just debug stuff. Anyway, no. So a couple of those going where the hammer's going through the attacker, I might need to look at there. There may be some merging. I think that's merging problems. I may also speed these up too. Let's watch her attack a tree. See, we definitely got to fix that because she wasn't even the target of that attack. Because she ended up killing her by accident. And eventually we'll get a destruction animation. And see, one of those animations don't even hit. Like that. Probably got to start taking some notes, some things that gotta get fixed. I don't know why I moved, because it's gonna do this. And broke it. Okay. Oops, no. So let's look at this one real quick. 'Cause I don't think this one is making contact. Oh, no. I wonder the feet slipping. Wonder if I need to. Let's make a little change to the animation, see if we can get that to work a little bit better. They may all need to have foot IK on. Inverse kinematics. I don't think I'll be able to make that work. Let's see. Nope, we're broke. We're broke. Oops. Did not mean to do that. There we go. No, no, no. I wonder if that's a merge problem as well. Because it hits on the first one. Really, why is it going back to idle? It should be default merging. Let's try that from the beginning. There should be, and so everything has a default merge on it, or every animation. At least the combat one's supposed to have a default merge of like, broke that, of like 20% in to 10% of the next one. Because the first one will hit, and then the second one, ones after that won't hit. Like I think it's a merge issue. Oops, did I just break it? Okay, hit. No, and it's going through the head as well. Must be right over the bounding box. I need to get a good look at it in the beginning. Yeah, so the inverse kinematic setting actually looks like it does better. The feet aren't slipping around. Okay. I can get you to move around to the other side here and attack. So the first time it animates is going through the head. And the reason I have to move it is because of the way I've set it up for testing purposes. I have to keep moving it and then I can attack. That won't be the case when the actual game is the way it's supposed to be. Yeah. Before she lifts it over her head. So it is a merge problem. We're gonna have to work on that. Give me a second while I take some notes. and she was murdered. Oops, wrong button. Okay. So. What was it? What was that animation called? I should know it by heart by now. Many times I done looked at it and said it. The back cross smack. All right. So we got to figure out a better merge setting for that, which I can control through. Hey, what's up, Son Goku and NNRA? How you guys doing tonight over there on YouTube? Hopefully I didn't miss you guys. Oh, and I appreciate the love for the music, man. Yeah, man, that's all I do is grind, though. All right. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see the combination, because I feel like I did have a setting. Oh, Chillin' Dude forgot you're on Twitch to let me open up to. Oh, whatever you want, wherever you want to hang out, man. It's all good with me. I'm just glad for the company. Let's see. Let's see how that looks between. Okay. First things first. If I feel like game dev work is lonely stuff, yeah, man. Yeah, man. I could say something about the introvertedness of game development, but I'll let it go. I think those jokes have been made over and over again for years at this point. Okay. Let's actually go check if I believe I got merge animation coming in, or merge settings for the charge assault and the back cross smack. So let me check that. Should be here. Let's start her back up. Okay. 3 and 5, right. Okay. So those are the only ones that have actual merge settings. So let's see how they look. See that a couple times. Yeah, nah, that merge looks terrible. So all the merges with the back cross need to be fixed. I would even imagine like the merge should happen right in the middle of that animation. Okay. Let's. Oh, we don't need this anymore. Let's actually take this like one animation at a time and see how they each look with their default merges. Just see if there what else we got to do here. So let's see. Default merge here. Smack. Smack. Really, the merge doesn't go far enough on this one. Because really, it should not go all the way. Well, should it go all the way back to the shoulder? It could probably stand to be cleaned up. Yeah, and I'm thinking too, with the damage and reaction should probably not be capable of starting again until the attack is over. Essentially, check when it's finished playing and when the attack animation is finished playing too. So, making notes. Making notes. Animator. The charging salt. Because I figure if I can find out when things are properly best merged into, then I can just kind of make it across the board for every animation. Or I can essentially put in settings for an animation for each animation that it can interact with in the settings. Anyway. And let's see that with, let's just check how it looks at one of the other animations. Yeah, let's charge and plant, charge and plant, charge and plant. Wonder if I get a good shot from up here. Okay, cross. I kind of like that. Okay. So, and all right. So I think a couple of those animations are going to need, they all need to have foot IK on them from what I'm seeing. But some of them going to need to clean up the merge stuff cleaned up on them, just in general. Because I know one of them, the hammer was just not even in the right place, from what I could tell. Also, the damage animations weren't working when they're not sitting on an actual grid panel, which shouldn't happen anyway. But something to remember. Okay, we're going to take it one step at a time and look at these animations. Let's just do the process of like running each one of them by themselves. Well, first, let's make the changes we need to make to the feed IK just to get it looking properly, looking right. Now there, it doesn't even look like the merge is happening. Hmm. I don't think the plant is that bad. I think the plant is okay. It might need a little bit of work. That's number 3, if I remember correctly. We'll move on to another one. That merge actually looks pretty good. I just feel like all these animations need to be sped up. What is up with that arm? Looks, the arm is like wrapping around or something. I have to keep an eye on that. So I'm just gonna try like every one of them, just see how it merges with itself, and then like see how it merges with other ones. I think that's a good like test plan here. It's a little funky with the other animations. I'll kind of put that down to further look at. Mr. Alpha, what's up, dude? You started learning Unity. You respect. I appreciate it, man. You know, this is my first Unity game, and I'm learning Unity as I go as well. So, like, I mean, I've been doing it for about a year now, so I've got certain things kind of down, but I'm still learning. So keep learning, dude. Okay, why is that hammer getting turned sideways? It's not even hitting anything. Okay, yeah, that merge is terrible. All right, what was that? What was it? Whoops. Wrong button. What, wrong button again? I was so irritated by that when it got me. That was the meat measure? I guess the number 5, okay. Seemed like a different animation. I'm gonna look at that again. That makes no, it doesn't seem like that's the right animation for it. Let's actually, let's go look at it. I feel like that's got corrected later. I feel like that got corrected later. I feel like I have another file with more animations where this got corrected. So I'm gonna just question mark this one. Oh, great. Let's destroy some trees. Heck. Oh. Can't even see where the camera is in there. Oh, it's above, that's why. Or, no, it's not above, it's she's right on top of it. What are we doing here? That's the meat masher. And it didn't even hit. So I guess no destroying trees now. Unless she destroys them sideways. Oh, that's not going to do any damage. It did. It accidentally killed a tree. That's not a move that's supposed to do damage to anybody else other than you. And it merges fine with itself. Come on. All right. Let's see how this looks with others though. Six. Making more notes here. We got to work on some merges for that. So we're going to do some head rocker. I don't think that's the right animation either. But it's fine by the look of it with itself. What I may end up doing too is speeding these up. All right. I could have tried to move her around, but never mind. Was it 7? All right, looks good. Bad. Good. Good. Bad. Good. Bad. Kinda. What was that one? I keep forgetting to keep track here. That was Head Rocker. Head Rocker needs a couple of merges. I probably shouldn't even do this tonight because I know I've got a bunch of other animations I have to look at. I'm about to do some Taste of Blood. Taste of Blood. Right. We're on 8. Why is the hammer not in the right place? The hammer's supposed to be in her face. Like she's supposed to be actually hitting herself with the hammer because you do damage to yourself. This move, you do damage to yourself to keep your rage. I don't like the way that foot is moving either. It really looks like a taunt. It's right up all in the chest area too of the other person. What you gonna do about it? Get wrecked. All right. Let's see how this looks with a couple other things. Get all up in her face and then smack her. Also, I wonder if these are the older animations too. Maybe they aren't as well put together either. If this the old stuff. Huh. It makes me wonder if I should just put a pin in this for the night and go look and see if I got the right animations. Because these are 6'2". I do feel like there's a 6, 8, 20. Ah, yeah, I do have the wrong ones. Because the combat animations have the same dates. Because that's the last day I got them from the animator. Okay. So I'm really looking at old stuff here. I gotta dig for the right file. Ugh. Oh, let's. Let's just get a little something going here. While that is happening, I can actually go look for this file. We can just kind of watch a beat down in progress here for a little bit. I actually go fishing. Just throw a bunch of random animation in there. He'll probably be dead in like 2 seconds, but still, it'll be fun to watch for a second. And then see how these animations are kind of funkily merging together. Oops, did I hit something? I think I turned her. Huh, still fun to watch. Hold on, watch that. Okay, this is more like it. Got a bunch of animations in here. Just need to kind of name them right. I wonder if I. No, I don't. Okay. We'll figure it out. See, that also looks faster too. So let's take these. We got a bunch more to do, but let's take these first and actually get them set up. All right. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Takes the wood. Counter. Oh yeah, it's just a fast hit. That's right. That's for the counter mechanics. Where were we? Our golf track. Okay. I just wondering what the counter was, and I realized that's not an actual move. That's just a counter attack, which we'll implement later, like much later. Oops, wrong one. Oh, nope. Don't want to do that. Yeah. Okay. Did I break it? Okay, there we go. I can just do it all at once after I'm done. have to keep going back and hitting the button. I don't have shoulder check yet. Sword cracker, make them dance. Demon's Fury, Courage Taker. I think I meant to change some of these names too. These are not the actual. Yeah, I had notes and everything. Because some of these animations are not named right. Alright. Well, let me see if I can find that real quick. Okay, found my notes. Alright, the Meat Masher. Let's see what that is. That'll be Crushing Ram. Let me see. There's two Meat Mashers. Hold on. Not sure which is which, actually. That one goes for a very long time. Yeah, that's not Crushing Ram. That's something else. Okay. All right. Let's backtrack here. The plant. That doesn't look like the plant. I thought the plant was an overhead attack. I thought that was the plant. Because this... That's right. Yeah, that's right. Oh. But I've said that's right, though. I mean, I said that's the plant. Okay, well, fine, whatever. Oh yeah, say that. In fact, what are my actual settings? Are my import settings working for that? No, I have not actually set it up. Hold on. Guessing the root transform? Make an educated guess on that one. Okay. Why does that look weird now? Oh, okay, it's just a thing. Okay, never mind. All right. I remember now. This was the broken file. That's why I didn't use it. So I need to go. All right. This is going to be kind of busted now, I believe. Or can I find that other file? I really need to get better about tracking this stuff. Good grief. What is going on? And see, it breaks if you do that. What? I know that's facing the wrong way. Let's make a test. Let's just test this. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to go back to the animator and see if we can do to get this fixed. I'm gonna try without the root. Get a second here. Maybe that'll fix up. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just making guesses at this point. All right, let's try this. Oh, it worked. Okay, okay. Okay. That's all I gotta say is okay. I did not expect it to work. Oh, well, that other animation ain't gonna work. But anyway, because I haven't set it up yet, but... Well, it still kind of works, because it's using the old animation. Or is that still using the old animation? Hold on, hold on. Let me make sure we're seeing the right thing here. Get rid of this old combat file just for my peace of mind. Okay. Where the heck are my people? Oh God, it was cloning those. Okay, okay. That's okay. Okay. You know when you mess up, you just gotta sit back and you just gotta think about how you just messed up. You just have to kind of take stock and how you just boned yourself completely. I mean, I can fix this easily. But you just gotta sit back and laugh at it. Okay, let's just, all right. Okay. Um, let's go fix our mistake here because the file is gone. But I figured out what's, I kind of figured out what's going on now. Where are we calling that at? Oh, all I gotta do is give the model the name, proper name. Okay. Yeah, because I got rid of this guy. I guess we can use the movement and movement model now. Oh, no, no, she won't have the bone. She won't have the bone and the hammer, so that won't work. I've got that model. I can just, I mean, I've got that file. I just deleted it from this, I just deleted it from here. I've actually got that file stored somewhere. Oh, I can't rename it, can I? Yeah, okay. Three Hades songs back to back? Oh, I'm getting muted. I'm gonna have to remove those songs from my list. Okay. Oh, something broke. $431. $431. Oh. Did I not name that right then? It's probably because I didn't name it properly. Oh, the hammer is not named. It's not named properly. Oh, I didn't set it up properly.
I've been kept inside so long. I've lost sight of right and wrong. When you left an open door, I couldn't help but explore. So I took off with no plan, thinking I could find a friend, saying hi and shaking hands. I hope this moment never ends. It feels so good out on the road and on my own, waking up now. Strings attached, no looking back from ocean waves to
Don't tell me it's.
skies and sunsets.
Ugh.
I know the road is my home. That's what it feels like to be free,
It's the one with the problem again.
chasing butterflies and floating on the breeze. I got no doors at
Let's just see if it works. Fast mirror. Well, never mind. It's not gonna let me load the animations.
It feels so good out on the road and on my own, waking up now. Strings attached, no looking back from ocean waves to desert skies and summer nights. I know the road is my home. Feels so good. I know the road is my home.
All right, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna purposely break this. We're gonna purposely break this, and we're gonna put it on this guy, and we're gonna see how he works. Because I swear we had this working. It was working for a second, but maybe I was got the wrong model. I know it was pulling a different model. It was copying a different model
Welcome to the enrichment.
that I deleted, which is this guy. Well, this guy.
First up, conversion gel. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Let's all stay positive and do some science. Yes, sir. Lemon.
Just backing out everything. Right, that was... No, it was the older one that I had that was like 6 something. So I don't have that one back. This is the one that's broken. But I do have that. I have that one in the file somewhere. Whoops. Alright, excuse me. So let's get rid of this one.
You may have heard we're going to phase out human testing. There's still a few things left to wrap up, though. The
Okay.
counters told
This
me
one's
there
turned the right way.
$7 worth of moon rocks, much less 70 million. Bought 'em anyway.
This was female barbarian.
Guess what? Ground up moon rocks are pure poison. I am deathly ill.
And this was fine. Yeah, no issues.
All right, I've been thinking. When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the lemons back. Get mad! I don't want your damn lemons. What am I supposed to do with these?
And there we go. Okay.
Make life rue the day it thought it could give Cave Johnson lemons. Do you know who I am? I'm the man who's gonna
And it looks like it's actually taking the animations from the new one. I didn't load the models. I didn't load the textures in. I should have done that. I'll fix that later. But those are just stand-in textures anyway. All right. So let me go back to my list here. Let's see if we can clean this up. Let's see what we can get working tonight. And then I've got to go back to my animator and kind of show them this stuff, because there's some really broken things in the updated model. Because this old model actually works, well this one doesn't, but this has all the animations on it. Okay. Let's go about renaming the ones we can actually test right now. Is this? Where did you come from?
Carolyn, please bring me more pain pills.
Okay. Just checking. I'm like paranoid right now. Don't want to accidentally break something again. me do all that. Wait a minute. Where am I? I'm in the wrong place. Okay. So this is an animation of a different name. Fix that later. Okay, head rocker is head rocker. Yeah, save, save, save. Head rocker and oh yeah. Heart stopper is heart stopper. Taste of blood is, I guess it tastes of blood. Yep. Gotta be careful. When I hit that, it jumps me over to the other one. The meat masher. The meat masher is not the meat masher. That's actually crushing ram. Big Waluigi. How's it going, man? Over on Twitch. Hey, I've been working on a PC build, and I want to know if it will be good for this. What's your specs? Cause what I'm running on right now is a custom build, which is well more than it needs. But right now, it's also this machine is actually running this, and it's running OBS and sending out to 3 different sources. So it's pushing. It's a beast, and it's pushing a lot for what it's doing. So you probably don't need what I have. What are you building? What's your specs? Because I'm actually not familiar with the default Unity specs, but I know before this machine, the one I had before couldn't run Unity. Let's see, okay, this is the meat masher. What's up, LCR Brick Tech over on YouTube? How you doing, man? I mean, Big Waluigi. That's if I'm saying that right, Big Waluigi. Your specs are fine. So you're saying I've got a custom build, a Ryzen 7 770X, a RX 7900XT, 84 gigabyte DDR5, 5200, and a TBR and a 2 terabyte M2. I'm thinking you're good. I'm running right now. I'm running a 360 on my graphics card. It's a T360. I got the stats here. I'll look at it real quick. Knocking things around on my desk here. Yeah. How's your night, Brick Tech man? What's going on with you? Yeah, 360 Ti. So I'm behind. I'm behind you because right now my processor is a Ryzen 9 5950. So you're gonna blow it. You're gonna blow away anything you run on that thing. Like you're gonna be blazing fast, so you're good. Yeah, I've got like 32 gig DDR4 RAM or system memory, and a 360 Ti with 8 gigabits of RAM. Yeah, for real. Yeah, your 7900 is definitely gonna be the 3080. Brick Tech, I'm not using Blender tonight, though I have. Sorry, not Brick Tech. I'm not using Blender tonight, but I have. In fact, I built the original model and animations I was using that I'm replacing tonight. What I'm replacing it tonight with stuff my animator's giving me. But I definitely have done Blender streams in the past. And they've been pretty terrible because I can't really, I'm mostly for animating. And I can't really animate. Yeah, Big Wall. Yeah, you can run Unity and Unity on top of Unity with Unity on the side. Like you're good. Yeah, my processor's fine. Yeah, I'm like I said, I'm running Unity and I'm running OBS, and OBS is sending out to Twitch, YouTube, and Restream. Because eventually I'm gonna get back onto Twitter once they figure out what's going on with that. Because I tried to also stream to Twitter tonight, and it wouldn't work. So we'll see. I figure that out later. But Big Wall, what you planning to do with that? What's your game that you're trying to make? Let's see, the plant is the plant. And Undaunted Fury is of course Undaunted Fury. Big Wall says, I actually have no Unreal experience. I plan on starting with an RPG, then evolving from there. I currently code on a Chromebook. Okay. Yeah, man. Just word of advice. I don't know what type of RPG you're talking about doing, but like if you're starting out, try to make the simplest thing that you're passionate about. Like a lot of guys come in and they think they can make the big super game that they've always dreamed of, and then they get frustrated. Because I've been there, but I've actually made smaller games now, so I kind of feel like I'm past the point where I know I can make things in an engine, whatever engine I want to make it in, as long as I just kind of sit down and do it, like this stuff. Like I just learned Unity this year, or within the last year. So all this is new to me, but I'm getting it, and I have some experience with game development, and I have some education in it. I took a little bit of modeling back in the day with some like rigging and stuff. Brick Tech on YouTube is like, how is a 40 core CPU and a 16 core GPU and a 120 gigabyte RAM and a 14 core and a 16 core and natural? Man, you are. I feel like that's a good joke, but I feel like you're also about to launch some nukes or something. I'm trying to figure out what that is. Like either that's a good joke or you're about to launch like nukes on Russia or something. I'm not sure what's going on there. But natural engine. See, 16 core neural engine configured for 3D rendering. Like neural engine, are you talking about like AI? Cause I'm looking. Is there such thing as a 40 core CPU? Hold on. Big Wall on Twitch is like, I guess I won't downgrade the build. I can still offer great game. It can still offer great game experiences. 40 core is a Threadripper level stuff. You can use it for super compute. Okay. Yeah. Now I've actually been getting into AI. Like I actually run some AIs on my machine. I mean. If I run GPT for all on my machine, and I run models that are like small models that are around like 6 gigs on my TI, my 3060 Ti. Now I can only run one at a time. I've tried to run 2 at a time, and it kills itself. On a 4060 won't go great. Big Wall saying on Twitch is saying AI on a 4060 will not go great. Now, is it that it's just the architecture isn't good? If you're talking about it running it, if you've got at least 8 gigs, you can run a small model. Excuse me for a second, guys. It's getting a little warm in here with all the machines. I'm gonna turn on the fans. Turn on some ceiling fans in here. Okay, Brick, you have a good night, man. Nice chatting with you. I appreciate that, Brick. Good night, man. Uh-oh, Big Wall, thanks for the follow.
Big Wally Wiggy is now rockin' with the big man.
There we go, Big Wally Wiggy. That's the way you say it. Okay. So Big Wally Wiggy's saying if you want advanced stuff, you're going to need multiple 490s and 180 gig of RAM. Yeah, if you want to run like advanced if you want to run some advanced AI, sure, but I can run, okay. So I can run small models. I've tried to run bigger models, then you can sub 80 gigabyte models. And yeah, like it'll jump to running on your CPU, and then like it'll drag everything down. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, of course. You can run a basic AI on your phone, sure. Like it just depends on how big the model is. But of course, like the more constrained your resources are, the worse the model will act as well. So it's not just running it, it's how well it runs. Okay. Let's see here. And record. Hey, no problem, Big Wally. You take it easy, man. Have a good night. Appreciate that, man. Let's see, let's see. Okay. All right. Let's see how this one. Oh, actually, let's get rid of these first. And actually pull out these animations. Oh, sorry, because I already had it. Charging salt. Crushing ram. The head rocker. Oh, wait a minute. Why is that not? That's not the right one, is it? Nope, that's not that one. That's the crushing ram. Okay. I just didn't name it properly. I think I got them all. that we're going to test right now. All right, let's see how this works. Get our camera in position here. Wrong one, wrong one. I forgot to put the feed IK on those animations, but fix that in a little bit. That merge is going through the head. I gotta check out that arm. That arm looks like it's really turning really weird. Oh, she ran off. All right, let's see a couple of these other ones. Do the couple plants. Is she going through her head? Yes, I think she's going through the back of her head. Oh, why is that hand rolling around like that? Oh, I didn't see that. Wow. What? I'm just gonna look at that animation. I'm gonna look right at that hand. If that's happening, that's gotta be addressed. Okay. Just simple animation. Okay. Didn't happen that time. Wonder if it's like something with the merging. That's weird. What is that? Like the arm rotated on its own. Oh, she's turned the wrong way. Well, anyway. I need to put the feed IK on there as well. So they stop sliding around. Like, I don't think the hand did it that time. Okay, I'm feeling a little confused here. What the heck? So that was during the plant. Okay, okay. So let's just see the plant by itself. And then we'll actually see it merging with other animations. Plant is number 3, right? Okay, I didn't see it do it that time, but I was also on the other side. Oh, I don't know why I'm moving it. It's just gonna change the camera angle anyway. Okay, it's got to be a merge problem then with that. Let me make a note. One pin right. Plant, merge, arm. Okay. All right. What else are we gonna test here? It's also making me think about just getting rid of the default merging altogether. And just like actually set all merges. And the arm is moving again. Yeah, that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of the default merges. In fact, let's go ahead and actually remove that and see if it actually fixes anything. And also, while we're here, while we're contemplating that, let's go ahead and IK all these things. Just checking a couple things. Oops. All right. Let's move our camera into place. Let's see if anything we did will make a difference. See, that was the plant, right? Let's just see what happens when we do this. Why is that arm doing that? All right. Oh, these animations are longer than it's supposed to be. Yeah, look at that. I'm about to clean those up. Do I really want to clean those up right now? I kind of feel like I need to. These animations are way too long. Not sure what that is. I mean, and I don't even know if that fixes our issue. There it is. It's fine. Should be okay. So you can kind of sense like dead frames. Okay, hold on. Hold on, wait. Okay. Definitely need to be fixed. Yep, definitely need to be fixed. And that's all we're gonna do for right now. All right. That arm is still doing that. Good grief. What would happen if I just stopped doing the merge altogether? Because now it's playing to the end. I mean, it looks like it. Maybe I'm wrong. Because it looks as if it has a merge. It doesn't. Well, it gets the offset time for the merge. Um, well, it just does the crossfade. Oh, it is still. No, no, those are not the combat animations. Oh, it is still doing it. Okay. All right. Instead, let's just do this. Let's see what happens if we just set it. Oops, past it. Because what they're doing is just, yeah. All right, wait a minute. This is if it doesn't have merge animation. Yeah, if it doesn't have a merge, doesn't have merge data. And if it doesn't have merge animation or merge data, it was just supposed to go ahead and merge into the current one. But we can just tell it to go ahead and play. Yeah. So that makes any difference? Let's zoom in on that hand. Okay. I don't see it rolling around anymore. Okay. So no more default merges. If it doesn't have merge data, we'll just have to set all merges from now on. You can't have default merges. Well, it did it at the end. But it merged into the item. Is the problem. Just gotta remember where it does it. I'm also looking at this way to simplify that, but I don't know if I want to jump into that tonight. Anyway, so it's merging into the idle. We need to kind of stop that or do something better. That's got to be back up here. No, there is a function for that actually. It was like idle from combat or something. Idle from combat to combat. There we go. Yeah, it's like animator, player, something like that. Yeah. Did that wrong. I keep going too far out. Gonna be on the side. All right, let's watch this fly or die. I really need to put that much into it. I just need to go to the idol. It's killing everything around it. I feel like that arm is jumping a little bit too in one of the animations. I'll have to make a note of that. Yeah, it is. And it's probably part of the problem, that jump plus the merge. Okay, watch very closely when it gets to the idol. It still did it. Oh, 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 no, it won't work. Oh, 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 why won't it work? Oh, 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 ah. Ah. Game development. All right. Let's at least check out a couple others. Let me make a note of the arm stuff. I think I kind of did. Did I actually save that removal of the merge? Yeah.
Oh, I do recall losing all
That fixed it there for the other animations. Why does it not fix it for going to the item?
our memories will soon fade away.
because it's literally supposed to end on all animations end on the idle of that weapon type. So it should just go right back to where it's supposed to be. Especially if you're not merging, it's just going to go right to the end frame, which is the idle, and then you have it play the idle, so it just shouldn't move. Let me think here. Think. Oh, there it is. There it is. Wait a second. So I'm coming out of combat and I'm merging it. And I'm also setting it? What? Wait a minute. I may not even need this. Was at the so execute when at the end of the execution chain, end attack. Setting everything to false. Setting it to false multiple places? Oh, it's one's the player, one's the attacker, one's the being attacked. All right. When is that other one being called? What is this being called? You are being called somewhere. It's just you're not being called directly. Oh, open doc. Okay, you have to be called from somewhere. So where are you called from? Oh, right here. You're not being called at all? So if I do this, so nothing's gonna break. You're not just gonna completely break on me in the middle of anything. Oh, nope. She ran off. I'm on the wrong side. I just don't need to actually do that much. Alright. The arm still did the thing, but nothing broke. So that function isn't even been called. Okay. So it's in the in conflict stuff. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Let's move it a little bit more. All right. Why I keep doing a bunch of them? It's not necessary.
Ready to roll out.
Okay, watching the arm. Watching the arm. Watching the arm. Come on, finish up. I shouldn't have made it so long. Gotta figure out why that hammer is turned to the side too. Come on, finish up. Finish up. You should be dead soon anyway. Surprised she's still sitting there. I didn't see it. I was looking away. I don't think it happened, but let's have her hit a wall. But all right. 4 times. Oh, 3 times. Okay, I didn't see it. I saw a little pop at the end, but that's just, I don't know. That may be fine. No, nobody's gonna really. That's well, I can say that. Anyway, not a big deal right now. All right, let's check out a couple of the other animations. I'll make a note about this animation's arm jumping. And I want to get closer on this one. Yeah, not a big deal. Just kind of roll through some of these elements. Like that, like that. Really, that shouldn't have done any damage to her, but we'll fix that later. Wait a minute. I thought I had it do the meat masher. Did I misname it? It's not here. Oh, because the other one was misnamed. So I don't actually have that up there yet because I haven't. Let's see. Is wait a minute, wait. Sure. Yeah, the meat masher became the crushing ram. Okay. Yeah, I know which one it is now. Yeah, I don't have it out there. This one. There's the meat masher. Oops, I changed it during. Well, that shouldn't matter. Yeah. Oh, oops, gotta grab from here. Actually, let me make sure it's running at the. Make sure it's. Yeah, no, that needs to be shortened. Wow, okay. Oops. Anyway, okay. And I'm gonna have to correct all these times on the back end too. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wrong button. Okay, yeah, that's the pop and handle. All right, all right. It's okay. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. How did that kill her? Well, I know how it killed her. I just didn't think it was actually making contact. It also feels like the right arm should be like in a better position than it is ending up. It should be holding on to the hammer. It's not a great big deal, but it just doesn't look right. To me, at least. Probably nobody will ever care or notice. Um, 7, 8. Yeah, the hammer is turned the wrong way for some reason. I mean, you're supposed to be smacking your head on the hammer. And it's not doing the other animation. Okay, what's going on with that? Oh, you're not named. Okay. Okay. Oh, they all have it, don't they? Oh, anyway. Must have misnamed it. check something real quick. Yeah. So why are we having a problem here? Okay, that and nothing. What did I mess up? I guess let's put in a breakpoint if we still got that set up. Were they to move far enough? Okay. Put the broken code to actually move the character. All right. That. Nine. It doesn't contain it because it's not assigned to the character. Only the original attacks. Okay, that's why. Okay, so there's nothing wrong. It's actually working the way it's supposed to work. Okay. So before we test again, I'm going to have to, whenever stream we test again, I'm going to have to make sure all the animations are actually assigned to the character. All the current animations. All right, should be the last one. Nope. I mean, nope, she ran off. It's not doing it because it's not assigned. Okay. All right. I think that's enough for tonight. We've done as much as we can. Some work still needs to be done on the animations. So I'll have to get with the animator on that. And then I'll have to go through and do the merge settings for all the different animations in connection to each other. And then we'll have to work out the problem with the models. Where for some reason this model doesn't work properly, but it has all the animations, and this one works properly. We have to figure out why that is. This doesn't have all the animations on it though. Well, anyway, thanks for everybody that stopped through today, both on YouTube and Twitch. Much appreciation to all you guys. Thanks for the lurks, thanks for the follows, thanks for the conversation. I will probably be back later on this week. Either we'll be continuing to work on this stuff, or we may play some games on Twitch. I'm not sure. Anyway, y'all have a great night, and I hope to see you soon.